beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
We always have time in our hands to have a good laugh. Welcome to the Top 5 Trending, and today we bring to you top 5 light-hearted and charming comedies to fill your hearts with an overall sense of happiness. That being said, let's get on with our top 5 list of must-watch comedies. Coming in at number 5, we have Daddy's Home. This movie tells the story of how a sensitive stepfather, Brad, played by Will Ferrell, suffers when the biological father, Dusty, played by Mark Wahlberg, shows up at their doorstep.
Hey, you Dusty?
Nope.
What? Are you sure?
The story goes in a comic way and shows the natural love bondage between the two. Wahlberg and Ferrell share some great chemistry.
It's for Dylan and Megan and Sarah and Dylan, and nothing but that.
This can be a great family watch with a touching ending. Coming in at number 4, we have The Longest Yard. This Adam Sandler gem offers some quick-witted scripting which is delivered with great comic timing. The plot shows Paul, a famous football player, who lands up in jail and meets the warden Rudolph, a football fan who asks him to put a team together consisting of prison inmates to challenge the prison guards. It offers some basic twists and turns and ultimately reaches a highly satisfying conclusion.
He broke my nose.
Let me see it.
We can fix this.
How's it look?
Straighter, more distinguished, kind of like a young Michael Jackson.
I love little Michael.
It's a feel-good film which offers something for everyone. The convict characters are endearing and you cannot help but smile along with them. The soundtrack throughout the movie is fantastic. You'll definitely have a lot of fun watching this movie.
Who we gonna crush? Who we gonna kill? Who we gonna kiss? Gotcha.
Coming in at number 3, we have The 40-Year-Old Virgin. Andy, played by the brilliant Steve Carell, is an amiable, single, 40-year-old virgin who works at a big box store. With the excessive language and raunchy scenes, there is actually some great performances and story to be found here. Kudos to Steve Carell, he proves in this movie his tremendous talent for comedy.
Thing on.
No, Kelly Clarkson! Help! I hate you! Stop smiling!
The movie is very light and fun. It'll definitely leave you laughing and smiling, which is exactly how you should feel when you finish a comedy. It's an absolute gem in a genre that usually doesn't take as much care in actual storytelling as this. Therefore, this movie is highly recommended.
Do you think I'm pretty?
Whoa, whoa!
Look at me! Look at me!
Coming in at number 2, we have Due Date. When two polar opposites hit the road, you are in for a maddening funny journey. The duo of Robert Downing Jr. and Hangover star Zach Galifianakis is well grounded in this underrated comedy marvel.
So funny!
Days before his pregnant wife's due date, Peter lands on a no-fly list and is stuck with an irritating slacker, Ethan. This odd couple, buddy road movie is a definite watch for an entertaining time.
Is that a drainage stitch coming up?
Yes, it is.
Real hard.
The movie taking the number 1 spot is Yes Man. Jim Carrey is unbelievably diverse in his performances, especially comedy which comes to him so effortlessly. This is a simple movie with a powerful hidden message. Yes Man trumpets the virtues of saying yes to the opportunities that come your way and to live our lives with gusto and joy.
Would you be the man for me?
I guess so.
Yes, I would like to learn Korean.
청주 날씨는 어때요?
잘했어요.
What did he call me?
Oh.
This film also talks about balance between saying yes and no. This movie will leave you with a lot of positivity with nice comedy touches. So just say yes and get on with it.
Was I chewing gum before?
So those were our top 5 comedies on Netflix you must watch. Do you agree with our list? What are your favorite comedies? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more exciting content and do check out our other videos on the channel.